Hey guys, so I'm looking for a video to do a prank on my sister. So I put emergency alert. A soon nuclear bomb. Okay, but before I press it, I'm gonna make it loud. Like, no, let's go down 30. Okay, and I'm gonna go ahead and set up the camera. Okay, good.
Yo, this is so cool. Hey, let's see. Turn on the light.
We interrupt this program. This is a national emergency. Important instructions will follow. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. A nuclear attack was commenced against the United States.
No.
15 nuclear bombs have detonated in several areas across the country.
No.
They include Baltimore, Boston, Chicago, Denver, Detroit, Los Angeles, Las Vegas, New York, Pennsylvania, Portland, Maine, Portland, Oregon, San Francisco, San Diego, Seattle, and Washington, D.C. At this time, all residents within a 400-mile radius of these areas should seek a fallout shelter. Fallout is a product of nuclear attacks. Prolonged exposure to fallout will result in certain death. If there is a nearby location that has been designated as a fallout shelter, go there now. Otherwise, seek shelter in the interior part of a strong building on the lowest floor. Make sure you have food, water, and a battery-powered radio with you. Do not exit the fallout shelter until the all clear has been given. Tune to a station that is serving your area for more information. The President will be speaking on all stations shortly. Stand by for this message.
I don't like this.
This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its regular program at the request
It's
of
a
the...
prank! Okay guys, hopefully you like. If you did like this video, subscribe, and comment down below what other pranks you want me to do. I will see you guys next time. Bye!